This is group. We can store it 20 groups in advance. And this is a page. We contains 2 pages. This is page 0, is a welding parameter setting page, and page 1 is a monitor pages. It monitors the high and the low current, the high and the low, highest and lowest voltage, highest and lowest power. If the accurate current is higher than we set the highest, or lower than the lowest we set, it will be error. It will be error like this. We set 200 amperes, and the accurate is 143. It will be an error pages. Let's see. This is the error pages. So that's it.